Have you ever wondered about the history of the Indian flag? And how has the Indian flag evolved over time? In this video, we will take a deep dive into the fascinating history of the Indian flag, from its humble beginnings to its modern-day significance. Let's begin. The 1906 INC flag. Unfurled in Calcutta in 1906, this flag displayed a horizontal tricolor of green, yellow, and red. The upper band featured 8 white lotuses, and the middle band displayed the words, Vande Mataram, in the Devanagari script. Lastly, the red band showcased a crescent moon on the bottom left and a sun on the bottom right. Crafted by Sachendra Prasad Bose and Hemchandra Kanungo, this flag transcended symbolism, becoming a potent representation of Indian nationalism. Modest yet impactful, it unified Indians in a collective stance against the British government. The Berlin Committee flag. This flag, used by Indian revolutionaries in Germany during World War I, displayed a horizontal tricolor of orange, yellow, and green. It features 7 stars on the orange band. On the yellow band, it features the words, Vande Mataram. And lastly, on the green band it has a sun, a crescent moon, and a star. Designed by Bhikaji Kama and Sachendra Prasad Bose, it was unfurled in 1907 at the International Socialist Congress in Stuttgart. A powerful symbol of unity transcending religious and caste boundaries, it showcased the Berlin Committee's dedicated pursuit of India's independence. The Home Rule flag. The Home Rule League proudly flew a flag with a unique design. Imagine a horizontal tricolor of red and green, featuring the Union Jack in the top left corner and 7 stars in the middle band. A white crescent and star could be seen at the top right. Also, it had a triangle-shaped cut. Designed by Annie Besant and Bal Gangadhar Tilak in 1917, the flag symbolized India's religious diversity, with the 7 stars representing ancient wisdom. The Union Jack subtly reflected India's colonial history under Britain. The Swaraj flag. The Swaraj flag of India, designed by Pingali Venkaiah in 1921, features 3 equal horizontal stripes of red, green, and white. Red represented sacrifice, green represented peace and prosperity, and white represented unity and purity. In the center of the white band, the blue charkha symbolizes self-reliance and economic independence. The flag was adopted by the Indian National Congress in 1931, and till then it was used as a symbol of the Indian independence movement. It was flown at protests and demonstrations. After India gained independence, it was replaced by the current tricolor flag. However, it remains an important symbol of the Indian independence movement. The current tricolor. Mahatma Gandhi suggested some changes in the Swaraj flag, which eventually shaped the design of the current tricolor. The current flag consists of a horizontal tricolor that has the colors saffron, white, and green. The middle band consists of the blue-colored Ashoka Chakra. It was legally adopted as the national flag on July 22, 1947. It was created according to the Flag Code of India in an aspect ratio of 3:2. The Indian tricolor powerfully symbolizes unity in diversity, embracing the rich tapestry of religions and cultures. The Ashoka Chakra, a secular symbol, highlights India's steadfast commitment to religious freedom and signifies progress, reflecting the nation's dynamic essence and the ongoing pursuit of advancement. We hope you enjoyed the video and gained valuable knowledge. Thanks for watching.